Привет, it's Joanaswan. So you might be already familiar using remove BG to remove your background, which has been doing for years, and you just need to, for example, if I'm just taking one picture here, you drop it over here and it does the work, and you just have to download it and you're good to go. So you can use for your thumbnails. This is what I've been using for years. But the thing is, the problem with that is that you want to do a contour. So I used to go to a different application. So PixLR was what I used for a very long time to do all my contour, as you can see, and my projects are all saved. But they changed it, and I used to be able, just for example, if I click on this picture here, over here I have some extra menu, but let me just one click, do the contour once I remove the background from remove BG, and I was good to go. But I think I have to upgrade and have the free version. So now, how do I do it? I have Canva, and Canva, I already have a plan for it. So I'm not gonna use, a lot of money and get extra with it. So what I'm going to show you is over here, what I've been doing is I've been using this picture and how do I move it to that state. And it's really easy. First of all, here, I just have to go on Canva and just remove the background. It's loading just a few times. And it's as fast as remove BG. And if I'm not happy, just like remove BG have the capability of doing it, I can go here and say, no, you know what? I want you to also remove that. And you can cancel it. Or you can go and say, no, I want you to restore. I didn't want you to have removed that area. So just click on it. And you can change the size of the brush, to do it. And or if you want to have the original picture to come back, it can happen. Once you're done, you click on finish, but I'm not going to finish because it's what it's what I want. Now when you are at this stage, I want to go to this stage. How do I do it? So I go back on effect, sorry, and I just have to go, so I have a lot of options, on shadows, and you click on shadows, and you see you have a shadow, it's black, but you cannot really see it. But you have to click on it again. And over here, you can change the color, or put something close to white, or put the color code you like it. I think, let me see. So I think white is FFF. I think it's 6. If I'm not mistaken. So you have the white color. What you want to do is remove the blurry, because you don't want a blurry one. And you want to make no transparent, and you can, change the size, but you want something similar. So here you go. This is how I move from a picture with a background and remove it and have a contour using one tool, that is Canva. And the thing is, like, I'm not sure it fits on the free version of Canva, but if it's not, just go to my page or my description with my affiliate link to Canva, so you can get some good deals as well. And have the pro version. It costs like €9 per month, something like that. So it's not really expensive, knowing all the things you can do. And I totally adore. And just make sure when you have this kind a picture, you have a full head when you wanted to do a remove background. Because let me go back 1 second. Let me take a picture that I use for a picture not too long. So if I love this picture. So if I'm using this picture here, let me remove it here, and I want to do the same thing. I'm going to show you what's going to happen, and it's not going to look as good. Let me show it to you. I have to look for the pictures. So I'm using this one. I love it. She's a great female player, and I want to remove the background, and there's no problem. So I'm just doing it. You see, it's great. And just in a few seconds, I'm just gonna remove the. I'm just gonna do the shadows, the outline, pretty much. So I'm now gonna be picky. Gonna put a very good color. This is what's gonna happen. You're gonna end up with something like that, and it's gonna be cut here, and you don't want to see that. So when you picking a picture, make sure it's a clear headshot, so you don't have those kind of things happening. So this is Joanna. Thank you for watching this video. And once again, if you want to know about me and all my social network and support me, just go there. Sorry, just go there and use my link is in French and in English. So go for it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channels and click on the bell for a notification. Thank you for watching. Bye.